I've been looking into Creators Alliance for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a legitimate platform or just another online scam in 2025. At first glance, Creators Alliance seemed like a unique opportunity. It claimed to let users earn money simply by watching videos and engaging with content. The platform had a user-friendly interface and promoted itself in multiple countries, particularly across the Caribbean and parts of Europe. Early users did report getting paid, which helped it gain traction quickly. On the surface, it looked like an easy way to earn passive income. But once you dig deeper, serious red flags start to appear. First, the business model raised concerns right away. It promised unusually high returns, which often signals a Ponzi-style setup. And that's exactly what a lot of users began to suspect when payouts became delayed and then eventually stopped altogether. Many users reported that they couldn't withdraw their funds despite following all the instructions, and support became either unresponsive or vague. On top of that, there was almost no transparency around the people running the platform, and no proof of any actual revenue sources beyond member deposits. In fact, some regulatory bodies in different countries started investigating the platform, and there were even reports of it being struck off from corporate registers. So in summary, while Creators Alliance may have looked appealing in its early days, the signs now clearly point to it being a high-risk or even fraudulent platform. If you're considering anything that offers quick money for minimal effort, especially with vague or unverifiable backing, be extremely cautious. I hope this review helped you stay informed. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.